We love Nevada City!
Help me, I'm dug in so deep and I need to climb outside to the dark. You're an angel, angel, amid the religion I heard about. Angel, pulling me from the depths I pray, and you are rising up, and now I'm shining like a diamond in the midnight sky.
And if you do too,
You'll love how close to town our new listing is.
on Boulder Street.
Help me, I'm dug in so deep and I need to climb outside to the dark. You're an angel.
3 beds, 2 baths, a 4th room that can be used as a bedroom, all new flooring, new interior paint and exterior paint.
And a brand new roof from MEC Roofing with a 50-year warranty.
Shining like a diamond in the midnight sky. You are an angel.
This lot is laid out incredibly well,
With a front yard that feels larger than expected.
plus a workshop attached to the garage. And let's not forget, it's just a 10-minute walk to Pioneer Park.
To see this home or any others in the area, or if you're thinking about listing, please reach out. We'd love to connect.
I'm